Being able to lay down the seats of a Rover is a great thing, and to do that, you use this handle here. Pull it and it goes down. But as time goes on, what to do when they break. So this is the handle piece. You can see the plastic just got old and it snapped. For reference, the way that I put them down now that it's broken is there is a little section there, and I put a screwdriver or something with a flat blade in there. And that makes it so, and it might be difficult while holding my camera, but to pull it forward. And then it closes. Okay? Now, more permanent fix is to replace it. So here, got a new plastic piece. I'm gonna put that on next. Okay, this is the new piece. Looks a lot like the old one, except it doesn't have the red stripe. You can get ones with the red stripes. I got one that is all black. To put it in, make it so the arrow is in the back of the vehicle. Line it up. And it's just a press fit. Yay! Now the seat works again. Okay, there you go. Hope it helps. Okay, one more time. There should be a seat handle there, but it's snapped. So, put a screwdriver in to the little slot there, and then you can pull it back. And here's that fork position I was talking about. See how it's a little spot in there? You can use that to pull it forward, and then, ta-da, there you go. And just so you can see a second installation here, this one was broken too, so I'm going to put the arrow facing the back. Simply line it up. Okay, come on. There we go. Line it up. Push it down. Now we got a new handle. Great. Okay, it's really simple. So if your Rover's broken its seat back cover, super easy to replace. Hope it helps. You got two options. Put in a new one or use the screwdriver to pinch.